Hi guys, Paul in the Paramount and Viezu workshop today, and it's been a little while since we've done a what's in the workshop video, so I thought we'd give it a quick one because we've got some quite interesting cars in as usual. First of all, we've got this beautiful P450 that's in for a Harrop uprated supercharger. So this is going to be running 720 odd brake horsepower by the end of the day. These are really great conversions. So I'm going to run those numbers one more time. 450 brake horsepower to 750 brake horsepower. It's just massive power. So the Harrop is already fitted on this car. We've fitted the Paramount Performance cold air induction system. We're just finally doing the last bits of buttoning it up, and then it's going to have a gearbox tune too. So hopefully by the end of the day this car will be all finished. It's a beautiful looking car. Just check out those wheels as well. Look how lovely they look. Okay, and next to the P450 we've got another F-Type. This is a V8 F-Type in for lowering suspension, so it's had H&R lowering springs fitted, and we're also going to be repainting the calipers because they've got a little stone chipped and they're a little bit mucky, so we're going to bring the calipers back up to beautiful bright red. That car then needs to go off for geometry, of course, because we've lowered it. Another F-Type, so it feels like a little bit like an F-Type day today, and another Harrop charger going. So this vehicle's in for a Harrop Supercharger. This is the TV2300 Supercharger, the larger charger, and this vehicle's running cold air induction as well. Lots and lots of other modifications. So that vehicle again should be buttoned up towards the end of the day. It's going out on a track day at the weekend, so there's a little bit of pressure there to get this one buttoned up and finished. Come this way. Actually, now this is one we don't want to be talking about. This is our little project car that I'm not talking to at the moment. And then quite differently, if you can find your way through the workshop, we've got this absolutely stunning Ferrari. Beautiful colour. It's really quite unusual actually. It's got a sports exhaust system on it already. It's got a cold air induction system on it. I think the colour on this car is absolutely really striking. Again, it's got a beautiful set of rims on it. It's been tuned by us before, but now it's got the cold air induction system, 200 cell cats I believe, and an exhaust system. It's in for stage 2 tuning. So we're going to be having a look at the software on the dyno and seeing if we can squeeze a little bit more power for the customer. Very busy day as always, and if you need tuning of any sort, as always, you know where to contact us. It's viezu.com. Look after yourself guys, speak soon.